Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to add the Cinemachine camera for the character, and let's see how we can do that. So first of all we need a Cinemachine tool. So we can go to package manager and we can go to Unity registry and we can type here Cinemachine, and now you will see that we will have the package, and we can click on install to install this package. This is a very nice package for creating third person, first person cameras, and you can create very reasonable camera systems with Cinemachine. Okay, so now we have the Cinemachine camera, and we can go to hierarchy, we can right click and we can go to Cinemachine, or you can go to component and Cinemachine camera, and then we can create a virtual camera. So let's click on this, and you can see that for some reason it's not creating. And if you select some object, then if we go animation component, Cinemachine, and then virtual camera, and indeed it's not added. Yeah, you can see Cinemachine virtual camera is added here, which we don't need here, so I will just delete it and I will create an empty object and the virtual cam, or we can name it player cam. Although usually you can click and it will be created, but for some reason it's not creating now, so we can do like this, and now you can see virtual camera is added under the player cam. So I will just drag drop this virtual cam outside this, and now I will just delete this, and again I will just rename it as a player cam. Okay, so now here you can see that we have a follow and look at, and we will just select the player and player, and now you can see that in the game view we are here actually. Okay, and now if we open this body section and aim section, you can see a lot of settings over here. We will go for to change this body to third person follow, and also for the aim to same as a follow target, and now it is fine. And now you can we have the rig section over here, and we can actually move the position of the camera. So here I will just move it up something like 1.7 maybe, and now on the z-axis I will go for now I think it is fine, and on the z-axis if we move here, yeah, it looks better. And from the x-axis I will just add a little bit more offset so that we can see our guns. So now if we play the game, hopefully the camera will follow the player, and yeah, you can see it's following the player. Although the camera follow is fine, but you can see that the gun position is like this way, and we need gun position to straighten. Okay, we go to scene, and if we go to select the player, you can see that yeah, actually we can actually set up the guns. Okay, if we go to z-axis, then you can see that the guns are too much this way, okay, as per the animation, but we can fix this as well. So I will just select the gun. Indeed we can select all the guns. Okay, here you can see that in idle mode it looks good, but when we give it play mode, for some reason the gun goes that way. So I will go for as Alt 1 and then we'll just press F, and then we'll go to the y-axis for the top view, and you can see that it is not straightened like that. So we can make it manually straight like this, okay, and then definitely we can move it as well to this point. Okay, so one by one I will just fix the guns, and also I will fix the hand positions as well, okay, according to the gun. So yeah, it will be a little bit how you can just do that. So like this, so that we can see our gun from the camera as well, okay. So here you can see gun from the camera. So I will just change the transforms of the guns, and then in the next video we'll move further. Goodbye.